Before we begin, the full audiobook Within Her Stillness is linked in the description below. And if you stay till the end, you'll also see something that connects deeply with today's message. There are moments in life when a woman doesn't feel tired because of work. She feels tired because of everything she is holding inside. The pressure to stay strong, the pressure to keep going, the pressure to look okay even when she doesn't feel okay. And slowly, without even realizing it, she disconnects from herself. This audiobook is not about becoming someone new. It's about returning to yourself. Within Her Stillness gently teaches women how to slow their thoughts, calm their emotions, and stop living in constant survival mode. It shows how peace is not something you find outside. It's something you rebuild inside. Because when a woman is emotionally exhausted, everything starts to feel heavier. Her mind, her body, even how she sees herself. And one thing many women don't realize is this: stress doesn't just stay in the mind. It shows on the skin, on the face, and in the way you carry yourself. That's why self-care is not just emotional. It is physical too.
I used to struggle with horrible hormonal and cystic acne to the point where I wouldn't even go out in public without covering my whole face in makeup. I have been using Averr's products for over 4 years and nothing has worked like they have. I ordered the Clear Skin Kit, tried it, and literally saw results in 2 weeks. It was the first time in my whole acne journey that I had seen any sort of improvement in my skin. Right off the bat, my skin felt glowier, softer, smoother, and I was having so much less breakouts. Fast forward 4 years and I hardly ever wear foundation. I get constant compliments on my skin and I've already told several of my friends about this brand. So I just wanted to say thank you to Aglow for completely changing my confidence with my skin and everyone else's who you have helped.
And if you're building your self-care routine, you can also check the Averr Aglow Clear Skin Kit. Link is in the description. Now, coming back. When a woman starts choosing herself again, everything begins to shift. She stops rushing. She stops overgiving. She stops ignoring her own needs. And slowly, she starts to feel like herself again. Not a perfect version, a real one. A calmer mind, a softer heart, a more grounded life. That is what Within Her Stillness is really about. And maybe that's what many women are searching for without even knowing it.